The internet is a giant, endless shopping mall. I was on a mission: find the cheapest wireless earbuds possible. I skipped the big brands, searching for names I'd never heard of. Xylo Sound, Megabeat Z. I found a pair that looked just like AirPods for $49.99, shipping included. Tracking my package was half the fun. Would I be a genius or a cautionary tale? Only one way to find out. Weeks crawled by, and my excitement faded into doubt. Was my $5 gone forever? Tracking updates stopped. Then finally, a flimsy gray package appeared in my mailbox. It was so light, I thought it might be empty. The box inside was crushed, with blurry pictures and misspelled English. True wireless stereo headset. Not exactly confidence-inspiring. No fancy packaging, just a cheap plastic tray holding the earbuds and case. The plastic felt brittle, the case hollow. Something rattled inside when I shook it. The earbuds looked like AirPods, if you squinted from across the room. No instructions, no warranty, not even a quick start guide. Just the earbuds, case, and a tiny charging cable. I had to guess how to turn them on or pair them. This is what you sacrifice for a low price: support, guidance, and any sense of quality. My unboxing was less grand reveal, more quiet letdown. The thrill of the bargain was quickly replaced by reality. I wondered if I'd made a mistake. Still, I was determined to see if they worked. Maybe, just maybe, they'd surprise me. I plugged them in, hoping for the best. The adventure wasn't over yet, but my expectations had definitely changed. Would they even turn on? Time to find out. Figuring out the earbuds was a challenge from the start. I plugged in the case. A red light flickered, then died. After an hour, I tried pairing them. A robotic voice blared, "Power on, connected." Startled me. Pairing was easy, but the sound, tinny, flat, no bass, like music through a payphone. The crystal clear audio was pure fantasy. Every song sounded weak and distant. The Bluetooth connection was a nightmare. Put my phone in my pocket? Instant dropouts. The left earbud disconnected, then the right, then both reconnected, loudly. Walking was a battle of static and interruptions. I had to hold my phone near my head just to keep a signal. After 40 minutes, the robotic voice returned. Battery low. That was the entire battery life. 40 minutes. The all-day battery was a joke. Next day, the right earbud wouldn't turn on at all. My $5 bargain lasted less than an hour. The treasure hunt was over. All I'd found was a piece of electronic junk. The frustration outweighed the thrill. Sometimes you really do get what you pay for. Lesson learned. To see what I was missing, I borrowed a friend's Apple AirPods. The difference was immediate. Solid, premium feel, perfect construction. The case clicked shut with satisfying precision. AirPods connected instantly and silently. No robotic voice. The connection was flawless, even from another room. The sound was rich, balanced, immersive. Music came alive. This was what wireless earbuds should be. So what are you paying for with a brand name? Research, development, quality control, better materials, and real customer support. If AirPods break, you get a replacement. My cheap earbuds? Straight to the trash. Yes, the price gap is huge. AirPods cost 30 times more. But my experiment proved the cheapest option isn't a bargain. It's a waste, even if it's just a few dollars. You get a product that fails, breaks, and ends up in a landfill. It's a false economy. You think you're saving money, but you're really buying frustration. Sometimes cheap is just cheap. Quality matters. The peace of mind is worth it. Next time I'll think twice. Tempted by ultra-cheap tech? Manage your expectations. If it costs less than a sandwich, it won't perform like a premium product. You're not outsmarting the system. You're buying the cheapest parts, with no quality control. Expect problems, poor performance, and a short lifespan. Do your research. Watch real reviews, not just seller ratings. Look for honest feedback on battery, connection, and build. A few minutes of research can save you from junk. Next time, I'll skip the absolute cheapest and look for a reputable budget brand. There are affordable options that actually work and offer support. My bargain taught me, sometimes a deal isn't a deal. The thrill of saving fades fast when the product fails. You don't need the most expensive gadget, but the cheapest is a gamble you'll usually lose. You're paying for reliability, quality, and peace of mind. Make smart choices, not just cheap ones. Sometimes spending a little more saves you a lot of frustration. The real value is in a product that works. Lesson learned, the hard way.